Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, it's Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at Bitcoin paired with the US dollar. Let's just take this out to, in fact, what we will do, we'll go out to a weekly, and I want to show you what I've got marked up here. I've just picked up, see this weekly level back here, picked up this high, and we've got a daily level as well. What I might do is grab this weekly, this low here, and we've got this range, weekly support and resistance. So we'll just quickly mark that up. I'm interested in this range through here at the moment. So we traded up to it, rejected. Okay, now we're kind of messing around down in here. So let's just go to the daily, do the same thing. What I want to do with the video then is just go down the time frames and explain a strategy. I've just picked up this low back here, but I mean, we can also see this weekly low, daily low. That's a weekly daily combo. So just looking for just signs of where the market could, and then this daily, that's a daily high, where the market could react. So that's a weekly daily combo. And then further down, we've got this daily high over here, so we'll just mark that up. The yellow is daily, the orange is weekly. So a bit of a roadmap, and what I've done here as well is this, I've just picked up this high and low of this range, and you can see over here as well. So we've got this balance area sitting here, right, big support level. Okay, we've pushed through, traded up, now we're in resistance, traded into resistance. Yeah, I mean, where to from here? We'll go down to the 4-hour chart. Now we've got our higher time frames mapped out. We've got this 4-hour accumulation level through here. This imbalance 4-hour, and what I mean by that is, see how we've got this balance area under here. We've traded out of it. This is a bullish imbalance. It's one-sided bullish. You can see the gap is the candle left, the high, and then the candle right, the low. So I just marked that up there as a point of interest. So the market's going to look for two things. It's going to look for liquidity, and it's going to look to rebalance. And I'm wondering whether we see a retrace, and if we do, how far back. My bias is to buy, is to go long, but not at this level. Right? I'd like to get in at a discount. I mean, ideally that would be where I'd like to get involved. Yeah, you know, like if we see this pull back right down into here to rebalance down in here, then that could be an opportunity to buy. And, you know, in saying that, we could get a shallow pullback. We've already had it here, and then, you know, we're off to the races. Again, I don't like to get involved when it's overextended, especially when it's trading into levels like this. And if it does happen to push through and you know, we're off to the races with it and I missed out, let it go. You know, the opportunity of a lifetime in crypto comes around every every hour, even less than that. What I want to do is show you a strategy on the lower time frame, how you can get involved, taking advantage of the volatility and come out on top. And we're going to go down to a 15-minute chart, and I'll show you something. Actually, before I do, guys, while I'm going there, click the links below and have a look at, there's two links that I've got. You'll see We Trade Your Forex account. Click that, check it out. You can connect your account to mine. Very interesting history with that account, the master account. And the other thing is to join our free Telegram group. So we're on a 15-minute chart here, and I want to show you just the power of these indicators that we've got running here. On the right-hand side, you can see these alerts where my mouse is. These are trade opportunities, and these opportunities are this. When we see a combo of this bullish signal and this bar accompanied with, if you have a look down here, this indicator down here, you can see it's got 5 bars and 3 of them are green. If we see the majority are one-sided, then that would be an opportunity. So I'm looking for strength. This is a higher time frame, multi-time frame indicator, telling us that. This is a 15-minute chart. This is telling us the 1 hour, I think the 2, 4, daily, weekly. All right. So we can see higher time frame is bullish. So then that is an opportunity. This is the next signal here. and I'll have a look at that and I'll explain. Again, we've got this the signal firing, and that will fire over here in the alerts, and we've got the green bar. But more importantly, see down below here, we've got 4 out of 5 of our multi-time frame indicator is showing green. That's an opportunity, especially when you see a range. This is a great opportunity. It dives down in here, attacks liquidity, and then we're off to the races. But take notice of when you see this, especially, look, have a look in here, you see a little green line. That's a bullish divergence. It's just right there. So yeah, I mean, you can have access to the indicators. Have a look at the links below and it'll show you how. Again, see how down here this is 5 out of 5 green and we get the bar. Then that's the buy opportunity. That one was a bit short-lived. This one here, have a look at that and look at the opportunity there. That's massive. So anyway, guys, back to where to from here. I'll be keeping an eye out on this indicator, and at the moment it's given us a trade. This is a 5-minute chart, so it gave us this trade here. Whoops. And while this is green here, and the higher time frame of green, I'm reluctant to get involved up around this level. So what I want to see is the pullback. So let's just go back to our 4-hour chart and have a look and see what that looks like. Yeah, now you don't want to get involved up here. The opportunity was back in here and down in here. So I think if this retraces back down, that's where I'm interested in getting long, somewhere in here. So just be careful. Today it's Saturday, okay? So Friday and Monday are generally pretty tricky days to trade. You'll find that smart money will take the market in the opposite direction to where retail traders are expecting it to go. And they'll attack your stop losses very aggressively. So just be careful over the weekend, Friday, Monday. Usually the market will settle into something on Tuesday and it's a bit easier. Anyway, that's my take on Bitcoin at the moment, guys, and where I'd like to get involved. And yeah, check out the links below. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.